how to log into your GoDaddy email. So it's a little bit tricky, but here I'm on the official GoDaddy website. If we click on email, if you have purchased a subscription, you should be able to see it right here, the login screen. However, there is a chance that you have purchased a subscription email and you still can't log into your GoDaddy email and don't know how to access it. In such cases, what you want to do is you want to open up Google, and then you search for GoDaddy email. And here, if we Google search for it, this is the first website that pops up, email.godaddy.com. And we just want to open up this website. And this is the official website here. You will have to input your email address as well as your password here. And then you can sign in into your official GoDaddy webmail or your official GoDaddy email. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.